Hello, in today's video we can learn how to fix a puncture on a mountain bike. First of all we need to take the wheel off. On most bikes they have a auto release, so you just undo this and just pull the tyre out. You can get some levers, make sure the ends aren't too sharp, otherwise you ruin the tyres. Most of the smooth ends. I've got some, you can actually buy proper tyre levers, but I've got some spoon ends. You just take the tyre off. And then sometimes you've got to take the cap off, and then sometimes I have a little screw on here which you just undo.
Will any help? I could be the camera, I can't. Bystander.
And then take the tyre out. And my glamorous assistants grab the pump and then you can pump it up. Pump it up.
Look at it. Good enough?
And keep them going. And then put it in the water and see where the bubbles come out.
I don't think it's losing any air. Well, it's all gone under the water. Right here. No air's coming out. It's this. Puncture's already been fixed. Maybe it was this.
Let's put some more air, maybe.
Yeah, because it doesn't matter, the air would escape, wouldn't it? I fixed the puncture before when it had no air in the thing, you could still tell where it was coming out.
That should be enough.
Wait, there, look. See it?
Let's just check.
You just saw the air. It's right there.
Yeah, let's just check the rest of the tube.
See, that's the only one. Right under it says B1. It's right there, look.
Yeah. We've now located it's just out there, so what we need to do is put a towel.
Dry it on this. This is dirty, isn't it?
What we do now, we roughen the area. And get some glue. A small amount of glue. I don't know how old this glue is actually. there's only left. Tiny bit. Get your patch. I hate when it's right on this bit here, it makes it really difficult. Then I hate punches. Now while we wait for that to dry, something really important to do is you check the tyre. I've got no, you put your fingers inside out and you check the tyre. So do you want to do that?
What am I looking, feeling for?
Right. So you're checking to see, can you feel any thorns or anything? Can you feel anything sharp on the inside?
No.
Make sure it's like all the way. Right.
Yeah, I am.
And also looking on the outside to see if there's anything spiky. You want to check, no, make sure there's nothing. What's that? Oh, it's a bit of dirt.
It's probably a bit poo.
Anything suspicious? Could be anything spiky.
I think it's just a bit of rubber that's come off, but it's stained. It's just dead fine.
Just make sure there's anything spiky or nothing suspicious. What caused the? Obviously, there's like a thorn. What's gone?
Can you hear that? Yeah, that's clean. One like my hands. Have a listen. Seems okay. The glue is dry. Look. Take it off.
I'll just leave it on there just in case it might pull off the.
Yeah, it kind of almost attached to the.
I mean, it won't hurt it.
Yeah, leave it on just as an extra layer of protection.
So let's just slightly pump up a bit. Not sure how well you can see that, but there is actually a very spiky there. Out there where my thumb is, so I'm going to take that spike out. All we do now is we put it all back together again like we've done before, but in reverse.
You have to put this in first.
Let's put the tyre back on the tyre wheel.
It doesn't go in, it goes like this goes in that, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I think that's it. And then we'll let this down a bit.
That's a bit of an issue, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh well. It'll come back when you pump it out, it's fine.
Tyre back in the hole, the valve through the hole there. Hang on, let's just. That's better.
Not seeing right, I'll hold it. You can just push it down.
And if it's got this little screw thing here. Put the tyre back on. When it starts getting a bit difficult, might need levers. Always the last bit what gets difficult. Put the tyre
The wrong way.
make sure the tyre's the right way, yeah. This has got a
Brake disc.
brake disc on it, so make sure it goes back on there. That's possible. And just pump it back up again. But hopefully that would be that. It should tell you on the tyre somewhere what PSI to do it up at.
Make sure that's at the bottom so you can see it now.
I think that's a bit there.
50 to 55, yeah.
And there's little, it's only at 30.
Move it like that way. Yeah. I have a proper bike pump. I can always pump it up later, James.
Yeah.
Just pump it up so it actually works.
This is a proper bike pump.
I meant like there we go, like one of those
With the
step
big ones.
Yeah.
And I think you get the idea, and that's how you fix a bike pump, a puncture. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you.
Bye.